Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for today's reading, this is going to be for the Year of the Monkey. And we're going to tackle kung anong dapat abangan, dapat iwasan, at dapat tutukan. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. If you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private reading. Check the description box below. Nandyan yung kung paano nyo ako makakontakt. But anyway, so take your time. Which among these objects ang gusto nyong mag-represent ng 2025 nyo? Okay? Pause if you need more time. Let's proceed sa number 1. Excuse the noise. May sakit yung tuta ko. Pinainom kayo ng gamot. But anyway, ang dapat mong tutukan, Year of the Monkey, dapat mong abangan. Year of the Monkey is 4 of Cups reversed. Abangan mo na parang, tawag nito, na parang go with the flow ka na lang for the year 2025. Parang whatever it is na, tawag nito, paplanuhin mo, siguro laging magkaka-jinx. Laging hindi matutuloy, tapos yung plan B ang laging masusunod. So, make sure you have a plan B. Let's say, magta-travel ka, gusto mong mag-Japan, gusto mong mag-Osaka, I don't know, Tokyo, Shinjuku, I don't know. Tapos, ang matutuloy lang is yung Boracay. Yung ganun. Yung parang, if hindi matutuloy yung isa, tapos palaging yung pangalawang choice ang mangyayari. And wala ka magagawa but to go with the flow. Okay, but anyway, the fact na merong offer from the heavens, may clouds eh. So parang in a way, it's going to be destined na yun ang mangyari. Maybe you're going to meet someone na vital sa growth mo, or maybe kailangan mong mapadpad sa hindi mo pinagplanuhang puntahan in order for you to learn something like a skill, or maybe about the culture of the people of the place, na parang pwede mong gawing business idea siguro, pwede mong gawing content na magba-viral. Basta everything is going to be for your advantage. Now, ano naman ang dapat mong iwasan, Year of the Monkey? Iwasan mong mag-decide kagad kasi baka mayroon pang option sa magdadatingan. Ito yung may in-offer, o sige go, tapos mayroon pa palang paparating na iba. So, I'm also seeing the Gmail icon. So, check your emails regularly, especially yung spam, kasi baka merong mga nakatagong doon. Tawag nito, mga emails doon na parang kailangan palang replyan. Mga message requests, ganyan. Isa rin yun. Okay? So, iwasan mong magmadali na mag-finalize ng decisions. And try to check other sources, baka merong pang ibang mas magandang offer. Tapos, tutukan mo yung pagmumultitask ng mga bagay na you're confident na kaya mong i-manage. I'm being drawn to the sunflowers, like where diba sunflowers, kung asan yung sun, doon nakaharap. So, wherever the main source is, yun ang hanapin mo. Especially if, confident ka naman na kaya mo siyang, hanapin kahit ikaw lang mag-isa. And I'm being drawn to the black cat. Maybe a pet is going, or maybe, I'm not sensing like cat lang alone. Parang you're going to find clues through the animals around you. Like, let's say for example, ang butterfly is transformation. So maybe may kailangan kang baguhin sa plano mo. Maybe nakakita ka ng ladybug, which means luck. Maybe trip mong tumaya sa loto. Or maybe a hummingbird. For me personally, it means you need to umatras. May na-overlook ka. You need to go back. So maybe you need to retrace your steps. Yung process na pinagdaanan mo, baka may na-overlook kang importante. So there are clues in animals specifically around you. So be mindful and be intuitive regarding the possible messages. Okay? So there. That's for you, number 1. Let's proceed to number 2. If you have chosen the red bracelet, dapat mong abangan for 2025, gastos. Pwedeng ikaw yung pagkakagastusan, pero pwedeng ikaw yung mapapagastos, and you really need to make sure na it's worth your penny. If this is like a big occasion na ikaw yung gagastos, ikaw mag-sponsor, make sure it's worth it. If meron kang bibilhin na mahal, like I don't know, maybe a car or a property, make sure it's worth it. Walang problema sa papers, sa documents, sa ownership, na parang magagamit mo siya ng matagal. Okay? Ang dapat mong iwasan naman, 5 of Pentacles reversed. Iwasan mong solohin yung mga pwede mo namang ihingi ng tulong. It doesn't mean na naiwan kang mag-isa for maybe for the past few years, at nasanay ka ng mag-isa, hindi ka na talaga hihingi ng tulong. Especially if the job is actually very overwhelming for you na. Okay? Now, ang dapat mo namang tutukan for 2025, pag-move forward, pag-move on sa disappointment, sa heartbreaks. And if you are actually, or if you've gone or undergone any heart surgery, tutukan mo yung pagpapagaling ng heart mo. Huwag kumain ng bawal, huwag magpagod. Make sure na you're taking the right supplements, and make sure na nagpapahinga ka na maayos. And you do not surround yourself with people na will drain you energetically. Okay? Now, let's proceed kay number 3. If you have chosen this pink pom-pom ring, dapat mong abangan kadramahan. Probably ni Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. But this is someone na kahit anong tulong mo, kulang pa rin. Hindi naman niya na-improve yung sarili niya, yung situation niya. Or this could be someone na tawag nito, ginagamit yung emotions to manipulate your situation. So, marami pang drama from this person, hindi ito magle-let go sa'yo. Baka nga may i-bring up pa tong tawag nito, dati mong kasalanan, just to make you feel guilty at makuha niya yung gusto niya. So, abangan mo kung ano pang mga kadramahan ng gagawin nito. Anyway, ang dapat mong iwasan naman is ang magdamot. Especially if you actually owe that person or anyone something. Maybe nagdadrama to kasi talaga namang may hugot yung taong to. Maybe you have been selfish in the past. Maybe mayroong para sa kanya na hindi mo binigay. Tapos ikaw pa magdadamot. Tapos parang this could also be someone na na traumatized. Tapos kung sino-sino na lang yung sinisisi because you weren't there. So, iwasan mong parang i-dismiss. Kasi baka yung pagiging manipulative niya is actually way niya to ask for help. For something na supposedly naka-move on na siya from. Or for something na like a trauma response niya na parang kailangan niyang matutunan paano i-manage. Especially if totoo na you haven't been for this person. Okay? Now, ang dapat mo namang tutukan, 2 of Wands, a decision. I'm being drawn to the cell phone. So, maybe you need to focus on communication with someone na parang between both of them, parang may isa kang dapat piliin. Sino sa kanila? I'm sensing 2 people. And because Wands is also travel, maybe you're planning to travel towards someone to visit, pero meron pang isang tao na gusto mo ring bisitahin rin. Pero dahil isa lang yung katawan mo, baka tsaka yung budget mo siguro limited, baka isa lang yung piliin mo na bisitahin for this year. So, come up with a wise decision. Okay? And once is also about passion. Kaninong company ka ba mas mag-e-enjoy? Or sino ba talaga yung mas mismo? Parang ganun. Okay? So there, that's for you, Year of the Monkey. Again, for paid personal reading, send me a private message. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!